Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today we're looking at Rice Pops by Sainsbury's. Alright, just basically a take on Rice Krispies. So let's take a look at what's in the back. So essentially it's got rice, sugar, barley, malt, blah de blah de blah, and rice. Yeah. So let's get to it. Already opened these, so I actually got these to make Rice Krispie cakes because they were cheaper. So I've been using stuff that's been in the cupboards. So upon inspection, they're kind of like Rice Krispies, but they're a bit smaller. So let's try some with some milk. That's what they look like with the milk. I normally put sugar with these. Yeah, not that great. The taste, I mean, you can leave them soak a bit, but the taste's kind of hard. And no, can't recommend them really. It says the breakfast of champions. No, I would use this for cooking purposes only. Not that great. Stick to Rice Krispies. But I thought I'll show you that. Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Just showing you what's out there. You know me. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.